What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the lizard from my favorite board game, Sinister Six. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So I have my sketch here, and I'm going to trace over it to show you how I did it. So I'm going to start off up here, drawing his head. So it's going to start off somewhat like a half circle. And now I'm going to draw his mouth, which is kind of like a lightning bolt. And then under his chin, you're going to have a little arrow there. And then a little slit for his nose. And his eye is a curve, and then a dash up, and then a half circle with a little slit inside. And now a bunch of little triangles for his teeth. And now I'm drawing his tongue.
Hello, Peter.
His tongue is basically two wavy lines that is connected by an arrow. And make sure the bottom line is behind the teeth. And now I'm going to draw his collar. And now I'm going to go on to his arms, which is an arrow like that. And another one under it. And then a bunch of zigzags for his lab coat. And a curved line like that for the back of his hand. And now I'm going to start drawing his fingers. The tip of them kind of looks like a trapezoid. And now I'm going to draw his other arm, which is, again, two arrows. And now you're going to draw the other fingers. And on this hand, they're going to be overlapping each other, except for the pinky and the thumb. And then more zigzags for the lab coat. And now I'm going to draw the rest of his lab coat. And there's a seam from the top of the collar there to his hip. And now I'm going to draw some wrinkles. And now you're going to draw a line straight down from the seam and straight down from the antecubital fossa, or the inner elbow. And now more zigzags to end the lab coat. And then you're going to draw half of a square for his pocket. And now I'm going to put a little dot there next to his hand for the end of the tail. And then I'm going to start drawing the tail from the seam of his lab coat. And then to the corner of his pocket, you're going to draw the other line. And now I'm going to draw the other zigzag to the other ends of the lab coat. And now I'm going to draw his legs.
Hello, Peter.
I'll show you the feet later, but they weren't on the camera when I was drawing them. And then the other leg is here. And same for the other foot. I will show it to you later. And now for the coloring. There you have it. There's the lizard from the Sinister Six board game. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.